Hello from the High Point Public Library.
The recipe we are doing today is
Chicken Cranberry Lettuce Wraps. For this recipe, you will need 1 head of lettuce,
1 rotisserie chicken,
1 Granny Smith apple,
1 celery stalk,
3/4 cup of mayonnaise,
half a teaspoon of honey,
half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard,
half a cup dried cranberry,
half teaspoon of salt. Chop apple and discard the core. Chop celery.
Add apples, celery, mayonnaise, honey, mustard, cranberries, and salt into the mixing bowl and stir to combine.
Add the chicken once it's been shredded and toss lightly. Stack 2 lettuce leaves. Spoon about a half cup of chicken salad in the center. Fold the sides in and roll at the same time to envelop the filling. Serve cold and store in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for our next Cooking It Up episode when we make overnight oatmeal.